2016 Hyundai Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 mpg. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, heated seats, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, rear window defroster, CD player, electronic stability control, trip computer, heated front seats, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, rear window wiper, front reading lamps, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.